Welcome once again to our course, our WordPress site builder course. My name is Odichi Manuel, taking you for this course. We will be continuing from where we stopped in our previous lessons. In our previous lessons, we discussed how we can remove pages from existing pages. That means how you can take out menu when you have plenty menu on your website, and which we did. So today we'll be discussing how you can add page to it. Now on our site, the menu that is here is 4, right? We want to add 1 to make it 5. That is what we'll be doing now. Then how can we do it? So join me as I take you throughout this journey. Now you go to your dashboard, locate pages, click on add page. This one, add page, you click it. Now when you click on add page, then add anyone that you need. You say services, write anything you need at all. Services. This is the site. Check, they are all on capital letter. Then put your own on capital letter. Services. Now you are done. Then you now come here and do what? And click publish. Publish. As I said here, that your page has been what? Has been published successfully. Look at it here. So you are good to go. Now then, what is next? Let's view the site and see what we get. Now we have viewed this site here now, but there is something here that I wouldn't like. Like when we are viewing our site, we want it to be on full width. This thing you are seeing, we are not supposed to. I don't like us seeing it here. So what are we going to do? How can we remove it? That is what I'll be teaching you next. Then you go back again. You go back. You click backward. Go back to where you wrote. You create the page. Now when you are here, you go to page settings, which is this one, page settings and styling. So you do what? You click it. When you click, it will tell you page meta box settings are now available in the main editor toolbar. Click O icon, which is what? Which is this one now, O icon. So you click the O icon. Now this is where it's going to give us. Now when you click the O icon, what are we going to get? There are many things here. You click, there are many things to watch out for here. Now let's begin to work on them one, navigate on them one by one. Content layout. You put it here. Look at content layout. You need it here because that thing is a layout. The content layout. We don't need right sidebar. We don't need left sidebar. We need full width. We need full width. You put it in full width. Now then the sidebar. Just leave it the way it is. Then padding. Do you say enable or disable? Okay, leave it the way it is. Then you save. Now you have what? You have saved it. Then go and view the site again. View your page. You see now, that sidebar is what? Is no longer there again. And the page, we have done what? We have created the page, and that is what you are seeing here. The what? Services, which is this one here. But it has not appeared on this page menu list here. Now, how can you bring it to appear on the menu list here? That is where we'll be going next. Since you have created the page, it has appeared. This is on the main on the page name here. How can you bring it here? That is where the main concern is going to be. So you go back again. Okay, you go to your edit page. When you get here, you go back to your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard by clicking this back button. See, though I'm there, I've go back already. Now then, when I get back there, the page I create is here, which is what you are seeing here right away. This is the page I create, is here, but is not here. See where the problem lies now. The page is here, but is not, is here, but is not here. It's the one that is here now. The one that is here is what is showing on this edge here. Is what is showing here. But the one that is here, if it is not here, it will not show out. So what are we going to do? Since we have created our page to be this one, new page, you try and do what? And bring it here. You try and bring it here so that it will be added to this place. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will make up the what? The fifth one. Now, what are you going to do? What you will do is this. You click this place. You click this check box here. Now, when you do what? You click the check box. When you click it, you come to this place. They wrote add to menu. What you do is this. You do what? You go and add it to what? Add it to menu. By what? By clicking add to menu. You click it, you see it here automatically. You see, it has been what? It has been added to what? To menu. Now, after you've added it here, what will you do? You now come to this place and click on what? Save menu. You click on save menu. So you save the menu. Now we have saved the menu. Then go to your main site. You see this one. Then refresh. You see now, when you refresh, what can you see here? Can you see it here? You see that it has what? It has been added to your what? To your menu list, which is what you are seeing here, services. So that is how you add a menu. Before you add any menu here, first of all, go and create it. Go and create the page where you see add page. When you click on add page, then you now go to appearance and go to menu. I think go to appearance and do what? And go to menu. After you click on add page from here, you added the page here. You created the page. You now come to this appearance, come to this menu, and then take the page you create and add it to what? And add it to the menu. So this is where we are going to pause in this course. Join me in my next class. Thank you.